Good morning. I have this old South African braai bought in Durban like literally 30 years ago, sitting in Cornwall, and I'm just wondering how to. You see, this is really rusted. I don't know if you can see that. It's really quite bad. I don't want to touch it for fear of getting tetanus. It's quite flaky, if you know what I mean. So, other than this grill thing, which is kind of designed to sort of like, you can sort of like, it's quite a cool design where you can basically lift it up and rotate your stuff. So ideally, it is of the same shape and things like that. But otherwise, it's pretty rusted, and I was just wondering if I can get a replacement. I think this bottom stuff is not too bad. I can live with this, even though that does need replacing too. Otherwise, I think the whole thing kind of still works. It's just that grill is incredibly rusted. So, anyone know or can advise me what to do so I can have some braais this summer in England? Thank you so much. Yeah.